also we solve one problem by the method of orthocenter of the triangle, finding the orthocenter of a triangle given that vertices. Exercise 3, third chapter, the straight lines. 3, Roman number 2, fourth bit. First problem, find the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 5. This is the triangle. This is the triangle ABC. A vertex minus 2 comma minus 1, B vertex 6 comma minus 1, C vertex 2 comma 5. Here let the vertices A vertex minus 2 comma minus 1 and B vertex 6 comma minus 1 and C vertex 2 comma 5 are the given vertices of a triangle. Orthocenter means the point of intersection of the altitudes. This is the first altitude AD. Here AD is perpendicular to BC. AD is perpendicular to BC. Here first of all find the equation of AD is the first altitude. Equation of the AD. Observe here a line is passing through the point A minus 2 comma minus 1. So first of all find the slope of AD. Slope of AD. Observe here lines AD is perpendicular to BC. Here we not find the slope of AD. Observe here clearly we find the slope of BC. BC means the line joining the 2 points. Let slope of the line BC is MO. The slope of the line AD is minus 1 by M. So here two lines are perpendicular, then their product of the slopes is equal to minus 1. Let slope of BC is equal to M means the slope of AD is minus 1 by M. Find the equation AD. So first of all find the slope of BC. B point 6 comma minus 1, C point 2 comma 5. Let B point x1 y1, C point x2 y2. The slope of BC, the slope of the line joining the 2 points. First one is x1 y1, second one is x2 y2 is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let the slope of BC is M. M is equal to y2 5 minus y1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 by x2 2 minus x1 6 5 plus 1 6 2 minus 6 minus 4. M is equal to 2 2s are 2 3s are minus 3 by 2 is the slope of BC. Find the equation of AD. Equation of AD, A point minus 2 comma minus 1, slope M is equal to minus 3 by 2. Let A point x1 y1. Find the equation of the line AD is a line is passing through point to A x1 y1 and having slope MO. Here M is the slope of the line B. M is the slope of line BC. Here slope of the line AD is the slope of the line AD is minus 1 by M. So equation of the AD is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by M into x minus x1. Y minus y1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 minus 1 by M minus 3 by 2 into x minus x1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2, we are taking to numerator. Y plus 1 is equal to 2 in minus minus get cancel 2 by 3 into x plus 2. Taking 3 left side, 3 into y plus 1 is equal to 2 into x plus 2, 3 into y 3y plus 3 1s are 3, 2 into x 2x, 2 2s are 4. Taking 3y plus 3 right side, 2x plus 4 minus 3y minus 3 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3y plus 4 minus 3 plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the equation of AD. Next one, find the second altitude. This is the second altitude BE. Observe here, BE is perpendicular to AC. BE is perpendicular to AC. So find the equation of BE. Find the equation of BE. So first of all, find the slope of the line AC. First of all, find the slope of the line AC. A point minus 2 comma minus 1, C point 2 comma 5. Let A point x1 y1, C point x2 y2. The slope of AC. The slope of the line joining the 2 points is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Let M is the slope of the line AC. M is equal to y2 5 minus y1 minus into minus plus 1 minus into minus plus 1 by x2 2 minus x1 minus 2 minus into minus plus 2. So 5 plus 1 by 6, 2 plus 2 4, 2 table 2 2s are 2 3s are. So slope of the line AC is equal to 3 by 2. Slope of the line AC is equal to 3 by 2. Find the equation of BE. Equation of BE. B point 6 comma minus 1, slope M is equal to 3 by 2. Let the point be x1 y1. Equation of the line BE is, if M is the slope of the line AC, here slope of the line BE slope M is equal to minus 1 by M. Minus 1 by M. The slope of the BE is minus 1 by M. So equation of the BE is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by M into x minus x1. Y minus y1 minus 1 minus into minus plus 1 minus 1 by M. M is equal to 3 by 2 into x minus x1 6. Taking to numerator, y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 by 3 into x minus 6. Taking 3 left side, 3 into y plus 1 is equal to minus 2 into x minus 6. 3 into y 3y, 3 1s are 3 minus 2 into x minus 2x minus into minus plus 2 6 are 12. Taking minus 2x plus 12 left side, 3y plus 3 plus 2x minus 12 is equal to 0. Right order, 2x plus 3y minus 12 plus 3 minus 9 is equal to 0. Therefore, 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0 is the equation of BE. Equation of the BE. The point of intersection of 1 and 2 is called the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. The point of intersection of 1 and 2 is called the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. The point of intersection of 1 and 2 is the orthocenter of the triangle ABC. From 1, 2x minus 3y plus 1 is equal to 0. Second one is 2x plus 3y minus 9 is equal to 0. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 y coefficient minus 3, constant to 1, x coefficient to 2, y coefficient minus 3. From 2 y coefficient to 3, constant to minus 9, x coefficient to 2, y coefficient to 3. X by is equal to y by is equal to 1 by AD, minus into minus plus 3 9s are 27, minus 1 3s are 3, AD minus BC, AD 1 2s are 2, minus BC 2 into minus 9, minus 18, minus into minus plus 18, 1 by 2 3s are 6, minus 3 into 2 minus 6, minus into minus plus 6, x by 27 minus 3 24, y by 2 plus 18 20, 1 by 6 plus 6 12. Equating first and last, x by 24 is equal to 1 by 12, y by 20 is equal to 1 by 12, x is equal to 24 by 12, y is equal to 20 by 12, 12 table, 12 1s are 12 2s are 4 table, 4 3s are 4 5s are. So x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 by 3, x is equal to x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5 by 3. Therefore, orthocenter OX comma y is equal to 2 comma 5 by 3 is the answer. 2 comma 5 by 3 is the orthocenter of the triangle whose vertices are minus 2 comma minus 1, 6 comma minus 1 and 2 comma 5. Here find the equations AD and BE. The point of intersection of AD and BE is called the orthocenter of the triangle. First of all, find the equation of AD. AD means a line is passing through point A, x1, y1. Find the slope of AD. So, first of all, here find the slope of BC. If slope of BC is m, the slope of line AD is minus 1 by m. The slope of line AD is minus 1 by m. Here find the equation of AD passing through the point A, x1, y1 having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. Again find the equation of BE. BE means first of all find the slope of AC. If m is the slope of AC means the slope of BE is minus 1 by m. Find the equation of BE passing through the point B x1 y1 having slope m is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1. The point of intersection of the 1 and 2 is called the orthocenter of the triangle. Solve 1 and 2, find the answer. This is the process for finding the orthocenter of a triangle. Most important problem. In case given that sides of a triangle Given that sides of a triangle, first of all we find the vertices of a triangle. Suppose given that sides of the triangle. So first of all solving 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 1 and 3. First of all find the vertices of a triangle and similarly this process continue the finding the orthocenter of a triangle. Number of problems, try it.